back on Barry's 85 Mustang 5.0. We're going to be doing some filters and fluids real fast and the belt. It's first order of business. We're going to replace the air filter, but we're going to keep this. This is the original. It's an original Motorcraft. Wow. FA612. Original from the 80s. Amazing. And actually still in really good shape. But we're going to set that aside. We're going to put a new filter in. But Barry's going to keep this as it is original to the car and in excellent shape. All right, our next project here real quick. Going to take care of the belt. Just got to undo the tensioner. Put my socket on there. Pull her up, pop it off, and pop in our new one. Gonna handle that real fast. And of course, I am gonna keep the original belt for Barry as well, because it's in decent shape, but it's a little on the dry side. No cracking, but it's dry. All right, we got the oil draining here on the 5.0. Already did the front sump, doing the rear sump. Gonna let her drain. And we're gonna get this filter off real quick. And that is the original Motorcraft filter from 85. Pulled off the original filter by hand. Look how clean that is up there. Just incredible. Fired right up. Fresh oil. All other fluids checked. Topped off. Everything else is looking good. He's a happy car. Choke. There we go. Solid.